Hey guys, what's up? Godzilla fan here. We're back playing more Kill the Plumber. And, well, wow. I did some research what to do with this level. So, yeah, let's go. Alright, so we can... Dang it. What? What? Okay, let me walk over here. Let me hop. Let me do this. Let me do this. Ah, dang it! Are you freaking kidding me? I wish I had a Twitch. I could just like live stream this game. No! It's not letting me jump! Freaking full crap. Ready? Are you? Man, this game is such a rage. I swear if this is the last level, I'm gonna kill myself. I like how you can jump really high with this guy. Frick! Don't. Go kill yourself. That's what you gotta do. Oh, stupid. Get a lot closer, right? Jump, hop. This stupid thing will go down. Oh, come on! You gotta be freaking kidding me! I know what he's gonna do next. Why is it not letting me jump? Oh, come on. Just let me beat this. freaking kidding me? Ha, try to catch me now, sucker. Oh, wow. Freaking bullcrap. That's what this game is. Bunch of bull. Finally! Finally. Don't cry, princess. We have taken care of your stalker plumber. You don't have to transfer to another castle anymore. We won. And she's like dancing like, yay, stalker plumber's dead. Yay. Oh. Alrighty guys, we got lost levels and I believe that these are a lot harder. So we're just gonna do one. Alrighty. What? Alright, this is probably gonna be a lot harder. What? What? So only one person dies, game over? Oh, wow. This game's gonna be a lot more raging right now. And these stupid spiky ball guys. Oh my god. So when he fires 3 fireballs, he comes forward. Heck! Oh. I hope you guys really like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.